Good morning, fam. If your hips feel locked, your legs feel heavy, your body hasn't caught up to your goals yet, this flow is your reset. In just 5 minutes, we're going to unlock tight hips, wake up your core, and set the tone for pain-free movement. Let's hit the mat. Let's wake up your glutes. Start on all fours. Keep your core braced. Lift your right knee out to the side, like you're opening a gate, and lower with control. This isn't just movement, it's activation. We're flipping on muscles that have likely been asleep for hours. I promise, strong hips equal better balance, better posture, better everything. Beginners, keep the range small and slow. Advanced stretches add a pulse at the top. Did you know that weak glutes are one of the top reasons for knee and back pain? Wild, right? 5 more strong, controlled reps. Feeling it yet? If not, brace your core harder. The difference is in the control. That just fired up your right side. Now let's balance it out. Same thing, other side. Left knee lifts, controlled. Don't rush this. It's not about speed. You'll start to notice one side always feels tighter. That imbalance, that's your clue. Don't ignore it. 5 more seconds. Stay strong. Which side is weaker? That's where to double your focus this week. Now that we've activated, let's stretch and lengthen those hip flexors. Kneel tall, hands at your sides or hips. Hinge back, squeeze the glutes, then press forward again. This move is sneaky. It stretches your quads, activates your glutes, and opens up tight hip flexors all at once. I promise this will help undo the hours of sitting your body's endured. Beginners, just lean slightly and return. Advanced stretches, reach arms overhead for a deeper stretch. Did you know that tight hip flexors can cause lower back pain? Fix your hips and your spine starts to breathe. Go 5 seconds deeper. Do you feel the front of your hips lengthen with each rep? Let's isolate and rotate, because mobility isn't just up and down. Sit with knees bent and feet flat, wider than shoulder width. Drop your right knee toward your left foot, then come back to center and alternate sides. Imagine windshield wipers. Your hips need this motion. Rotation is the first thing we lose with age, but also the easiest to restore. I promise, mastering this move will make walking, squatting, even dancing smoother. Beginners, keep hands behind you for support. Advanced stretches, try lifting your hands off the ground for more control. Most joint injuries come from lack of rotation, not lack of strength. Keep moving, 5 more reps. Are your knees gliding smoothly, or is one side catching? We've mobilized, now time to go deep. We've mobilized, now time to go deep. Feet wide, toes out, squat deep. Elbows push knees apart, chest lifted. This is your anchor move. It tells your hips, hamstrings, and ankles it's time to work together. I promise you'll walk away from this stretch feeling 10 pounds lighter. Beginners, rock gently side to side. Advanced stretches, add a gentle T-spine twist for even more stretch. Frog squats mimic the way toddlers squat before modern life taught us bad posture. Last challenge, sink 1 inch deeper. Do you feel your groin or hips more? Adjust your foot width. That opened your hips wide. Now let's lengthen it all out. Stand tall, hinge at the hips and fold forward. Knees soft, let your head hang, let gravity do the work. We're sealing the flow with the full body decompress. Your spine, hamstrings, calves. Everything gets love here. I promise this move alone will take pressure off your lower back like nothing else. Beginners keep a deep bend in the knees. Advanced stretches straighten the legs more, grab opposite elbows. Did you know forward folds calm your nervous system while stretching your entire posterior chain? Hold 5 more seconds and breathe deeper into your belly. Do you feel your weight shifting forward into your toes? That's good. Trust the fold. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survivor mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to start your free 3-day reset now. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.